If you regularly use Ideogram, it's time to switch from version 0.1 to version 0.2. I noticed this update today, but Ideogram had already launched it on August 4, 2023. Surprisingly, many people are still using the old version. I searched on YouTube, but no one seems to have discussed its update. Hello and welcome back, creators. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the updated version of Ideogram. To use the latest version of Ideogram, first visit ideogram.ai. As always, you will find the link in the description. Once you are on Ideogram's website, you will see a drop-down menu next to the generate button. By clicking on the drop-down menu, you will see two models, V0.1 which is the old version and V0.2 the latest one. Click on V0.2 to switch to the latest version. Now that we have upgraded to the latest version, let's see how much better it is than its old version. To test this out, we are going to use very basic prompt. First, we'll generate an image in the latest version. Then we will generate an image in the old version using same prompt. So this is our prompt and our generated image should look like this image. Now click on generate and please note that we are currently in the latest version. I didn't edit any style and also didn't change the aspect ratio. We are generating the image with default settings. These are the images we just generated using the latest version of Ideogram. This one looks good to me and let's download it to compare it later with the old version. Alright, now let's switch to the old version and generate new images using same prompt without any style. And these are the images generated with the old version. I think this particular image looks the best. Let's download it to compare it with the image from the latest version. Now these are the images. If you take a close look, there is a significant difference between them. The image we generated using latest version looks more realistic than the second image we generated using old version. Another difference I noticed is that in the latest version, Ideogram strives to create an image as closely aligned with the given prompt as possible. Thank you for joining me in today's exploration of Ideogram. As we conclude, remember that in its latest version, Ideogram is dedicated to crafting images that align seamlessly with your prompts. If you found this journey insightful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.